The rise of Genghis Khan's daughters, forgotten queens who ruled empires. Imagine a world of clashing swords, thundering hooves, and sprawling empires. Now picture women not just behind the scenes, but at the very heart of power. This is the story of Genghis Khan's daughters, the forgotten queens who ruled empires. Their names may not echo through history books like their fathers, but their impact was undeniable. This video celebrates their untold legacy, a testament to their strength, intelligence, and unwavering loyalty. Prepare to be amazed by the daughters of Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan, the name conjures images of a ruthless warlord, a conqueror of unimaginable scale. But he was more than just a military genius. He was a strategic leader who understood the importance of loyalty, power, and legacy. He valued those who proved their worth, regardless of gender. This is why he made the unusual decision to appoint his daughters to rule conquered territories. It was a move that defied the conventions of the time. For Genghis Khan, loyalty trumped tradition. He saw in his daughters a strength and strategic mind that rivaled and sometimes surpassed that of his sons. This trust was the foundation upon which their power was built. Meet Alakhai Bekhi, a shrewd ruler who governed northern China. She wasn't just a figurehead. She broke at peace with local rulers, ensuring stability and prosperity for her people. Her diplomatic skills were legendary. Then there's Al-Ultan, who held power in Kharkov, a crucial region in Central Asia. She navigated complex political landscapes with grace and determination. Her reign was marked by shrewd decision-making and unwavering resolve. Checheyigen ruled parts of Mongolia, protecting vital trade routes. She understood the importance of commerce and ensured the safe passage of goods and merchants. Her leadership fostered economic growth and stability. And let's not forget Timon, who played key roles in diplomacy and power networks. She was a master strategist, adept at forging alliances and navigating treacherous political waters. Her influence extended far beyond her own territory. These women governed crucial trade and military zones, ensuring the empire's stability and expansion. They were the linchpins of their father's vast domain. They formed the safety net of the empire, holding it together through their intelligence and dedication. Genghis Khan empowered his daughters over his sons in some territories. He saw them as more loyal and capable, a testament to their unwavering dedication. This decision, though controversial, proved to be a masterstroke. Their reigns were strategic, protecting Silk Road cities and securing alliances. They expanded the empire's influence through diplomacy and military prowess. They were active leaders, generals, and governors, not just figureheads. They commanded armies, negotiated treaties, and administered justice. They were the embodiment of feminine might, shattering expectations and defying societal norms. They were not merely placeholders. They were powerful rulers in their own right. After Genghis Khan's death, male successors, like Ogidi, stripped the daughters of their power. Driven by fear and jealousy, they sought to consolidate their own authority. This marked the beginning of a tragic shift. A systemic erasure of women from Mongol history began. Their contributions were downplayed, their achievements minimized, and their stories forgotten. This deliberate act of historical revisionism sought to diminish their legacy. Despite this, some daughters held onto their influence, fighting to maintain their positions. They inspired women across Asia, proving that female leadership was not only possible but essential. Their resilience was a beacon of hope in a patriarchal world. These stories rewrite history, challenging the traditional narrative of male dominance. They thrived, led, and left a lasting legacy in a brutal world. Their rise speaks to the timeless strength of women. They defied societal limits, proving that women were capable of anything they set their minds to. They were feminists before their time, challenging the status quo and paving the way for future generations. Their courage and determination continue to inspire us today. Their legacy is a reminder that women have always been powerful, capable, and essential to the shaping of history. It's time to recognize their contributions and celebrate their achievements. Let their stories be told and their names be remembered. The power of women isn't new, it's just often erased. History is filled with untold stories of female leaders, innovators, and warriors. It's time to bring these stories back into the spotlight. Let's bring their stories back into the spotlight, ensuring that their contributions are never forgotten. Together, we can rewrite history and celebrate the queens of the past. Their stories deserve to be heard. Like, subscribe, and share this video to help us spread the word. Let's celebrate the queens of history together, ensuring that their legacies live on. Join us in honoring these remarkable women. Celebrate the queens of the history together, and let's continue to uncover the hidden stories of female empowerment. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll join us on this journey of discovery. Together, we can make a difference.